Now, today's video we will do class ninth maths chapter 4 linear equation in two variable exercise 4.3. Okay, so before this video we have studied introduction part 4.1, 4.2, graph representation of a linear equation in two variable, and this exercise 4.3 depend on the graph of a linear equation in two variable. We have already done question number 1 in previous video. Now here we come to the question number 2, 3, 4 in this video. Okay, so let's read question number 2. Give the equation of two line passing through 2 and 14. How many more such lines are there? Okay, and why? So give any two equation. Okay, so now let us see that this is the point. 2 and 14 is a point on a coordinate plane, and in any point there's a lots of line going through it. There's an infinite number of line is passing through a given point, any point. Okay, so here is a 2 and 14 is a point. It means how many more such lines are there? So there are infinite number of line passing through any point. So at 2 and 14 infinite number of lines passing through. Okay, why? Because now, because the in any point there is an infinite number of lines passes through. Okay, but here we need to write only two lines. Infinite number of a line passing through the 2 and 14, but we need to write here only 2. Okay, so first of all, what the first line has said, give the equation of two lines. Give the equation of two lines passing through 2 and 14. 2 and 14. So 2 and 14. So here is 2 and 14. For at 2 and 14. 2 and 14, this is x and y, because x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, so let us write the what we have got. So x, the first line is x plus y is equal to 16. X plus y is equal to 16. Why? Because x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. So 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. So this equation satisfy 2 and 14. Okay, let's do the second one. The second one is 7x, 7x 7x plus 7x is equal to y. Yeah, fair. You will write here 7x minus y is equal to 0. Now putting here 7x, 7 to ja 14, and what the value of y is 14. Okay, here 7 to ja 14 minus 14, what we get? 0. So this is the second two equation which is passes through 2 and 14. You will also make a two more lines or a three more lines. Okay, so here we need to write only two lines. So I am writing here two equation of two line. The first is x plus y is equal to 16, and the second is 7x minus y is equal to 0. What the second line has said that how many more such line there? How many more such line there? So infinite number. So here here infinite infinite number of lines, infinite number of lines passing through a point. Okay, so any point, infinite number of line passes through. So hence hence at point at point 2 and 14 infinite number of line passing through, infinite number of lines passing through it, passing through it, infinite number of line passing through it. Okay, so now this is the question number 2 answer. Okay, now let us do question number 3. If any point 3 or 4, if any point 3 and 4, so here x is 3 and y is 4, okay, lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7. So this point is lie on this one, it means this 3 4 satisfy this equation because it lie on an equation. Okay, so when we put the value of y is 4 and value of 3 x is 3, we will get value of a. So here ax plus 7, so 3 into 4 is equal to a into 3 plus 7, so 12 is equal to 3a plus 7, so 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a, so this is 5 is equal to 3a, so a is equal to 5 upon 3, a is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, this is the answer of, this is the answer of question number 3. Okay, any problem you have? No, it is easy. And this type of, this is the important question because these types of a question comes in a 1 marks or a mcq. If 3 and 4 is given and this line has given, you give a mcqs, lots of mcqs, 1 2 3 4 for the value of a is 4, the value of this, and you will take the right answer. Okay, so now let us do question number 4, the last of this video. So question number 4 is, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 8. Okay. And for the subsequent distance, it is 5 per kilometer. Okay. For the first kilometer. Okay. So and taking distance covered by X kilometer, taking total distance. This is taking a total distance. This is total distance. Here is a covered means total distance covered as x kilometer and total fare is y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, so total distance is rupees x kilometer, and total fare is rupees y. Okay, total fare is rupees y. Okay, so now for total fare is x, total distance is x. So for first kilometer there is a 8 rupees for first kilometer, and what is the remaining kilometer? X minus 1. The first kilometer is 8 rupees, first kilometer is fixed, that is a 8 rupees, and the for remaining distance there is a 5 per kilometer. So the first kilometer, what's the total distance? So uh, total, what is the total fare? If there is a, if I need to go 5 kilometer, okay, and the each kilometer there is a 4 rupees, so 5 4s are 20, we will multiply the distance into subsequent rupees per kilometer. So again, if I need to go 5 kilometer, okay, and the tempo wala has want that for each kilometer I will take 4 rupees. 4 rupees, total distance is 5 and per kilometer is 4. So 5 into 4, it is 5 into 4 is 20 rupees. So here when we multiply the total distance into per kilometer, we have got total fare. We have got total fare. As example of, if uh, one chocolate price is 10 rupees, so 5 chocolate is 5 into 10 is 50. So per chocolate into total chocolate, we got a total chocolate price. So here we need to the, so first kilometer, what is the first kilometer is 8 as per question, according to the question, according to question, according to question, 8 plus x minus 1 is a distance and per kilometer is 5. Per kilometer is 5. And what is this? Total fare. Total fare. Okay. So first kilometer is 8. And the further the remaining fare, that is remaining distance into 5. So 8 plus 5x minus 5 is equal to y. Okay. So this is 5x. 8 minus 5 is 3 because 8 is greater and 5. So what we get, this is the our equation, linear equation. So what is the linear equation? Write the linear equations. So you will write here as also as, so ax plus by plus c forms, so a minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is linear equation into two variables. This is linear equation, linear equation in two variable, in two variable. Okay, in two variables. So now here, now you x and y. So now here you will, so now I'm here doing this one. I am taking 4 or a 3 points. So we need to draw a graph. We need to draw a graph. Okay. So let us do it. So put the value of x here. This is equation 1. Put the value of in equation 1, for equation 1. So for equation 1. Okay. So when we put the value of x is equal to, x is equal to 0. So 5 zeros are 0. So y is equal to 3. Okay. So x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So 5 is, it is 5 in minus 5 plus 3 is equal to y. So minus 2 is equal to y. So minus 2. Okay. Minus 2 again. Now here you will put um, so we need only 3 points we will take here. So what is, we put 1. When we put 8, this will 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 8. Okay. So here you will do, so we need to 8. This total fare, 1 2 3 4 5 6, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay. So now do it. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. Okay. So let us do it. So 0 or 3. So x is a 0, it means it is in a y coordinate. So here is 0 3. So here is our 0 3. Okay, let's do minus 1 minus 2. It means the third quadrant, minus minus. So this is third quadrant is minus 1 minus 2. So here is minus 1 and minus 2. This is minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, 1 8. So here is 1 and here is 8. 1 8. Okay, so this is our linear equation in two variable. This is 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So it is our graph. It is our graph. Okay, so any confusion you have, you will comment in a comment box. Okay, please pause this video and go through each and every step of question number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so in the next video I will do question number 5, that with the last uh, question of this exercise 4.3, and also the last, I hope so. No, it is not a last. Okay, so please go through this video. Okay, thank you, please like, subscribe.